Hello everyone, welcome back. I hope you all are fine and safe. So in this video we are going to see the solution of biology chapter number 5, the fundamental unit of life. So let's begin with section A. Answer the following questions as directed. Number 1, SER of dash of vertebrate animals plays a crucial role in detoxifying many positions. Answer, liver cells. Number 2, dead cells of Rio leaves shows osmosis process but do not show plasmosis. State whether the statement is true or false. Answer, false. Number 3, which process plays significant role in exchange of gases? Answer, diffusion. Number 4, the dash functions both as a pathway for intracellular transport and as a manufacturing surface. Answer, endoplasmic reticulum. Next, number 5, complex sugars may be made from simple sugars is in which of the following organelle? Option A, ribosome, B, lysosome, C, Golgi apparatus, D, endoplasmic reticulum. Answer is C, Golgi apparatus. Next, number 6, which organelle of cell plays important role in protein synthesis? Options A, Golgi apparatus, B, lysosome, C, ribosome, D, peroxisome. Answer is C, ribosome. Number 7, which of the following pair of organelle possesses own DNA and ribosomes? Options A, nucleus, endoplasmic reticulum, B, lysosome, peroxisome, C, chloroplast, mitochondria, D, all of the given. Answer is C, chloroplast, mitochondria. Number 8, which organelle of some plant cells may occupy 50 to 90% of the cell volume? Answer is vacuole. Number 9, write full form of ATP. Answer, adenosine triphosphate. Number 10, what is membrane biogenesis? Answer, building up of a cell membrane using proteins and lipids synthesized by SER is known as membrane biogenesis. Next, number 11, endocytosis process is responsible for the formation of food vacuole in single-celled organism like amoeba. State whether this statement is true or false. Answer is true. Next, 12, match the following properly. Column A, column B and answers. Number 1, cell wall. Answer is B, cellulose. Number 2, cell membrane. Answer is C, protein and lipid. Next, number 13, match the following properly. Number 1, bacteria. Answer is C, nucleoid. Number 2, animal cell. Answer is A, centriole. Next, question number 14, identify the following figure A and B. A is ovum and B is bone cell. Next, number 15, which of the following unicellular organisms do not possess cell wall? Amoeba. Answer is amoeba and paramecium. Next, number 16, which of the following statement is true for viruses? A, viruses lack any membranes. B, they do not multiply until they enter living cells. Answer is both A and B. Next, number 17, which find correct pair. So answer is number 4, mitochondrion, DNA and ribosomes. Next, number 18, if cell placed in certain solution, it is likely to swell up. What do you think about surrounding solution? Answer is hypotonic solution. Next, number 19, which type of objective lens are there in compound microscope? Answer, low power cell 10x and high power lens 45x. Next, 20, identify me. I am a special case of diffusion through a selective permeable membrane. Answer is osmosis. Next, 12. When chromatin material gets organized into chromosomes. Answer, whenever the cell is about to divide. Next, 22. Endoplasmic reticulum is served as channels for the transport of material between the cytoplasm and the nucleus. State whether this statement is true or false. Answer is true. Next, section B. Answer the following questions in short within the limit of 40 to 50 words as directed. Number 1. Why is the cell called the structural and functional unit of life? Answer. Point number 1. Living organisms such as all plants and animals are made up of specific type of cells. Number 2. Cells form tissues and this further forms organs and system. The basic structural unit is therefore cell. Cell is also the smallest entity in the body. Number 3. Each living cell performs different functions with the help of cell organelles located in them. Basic bodily functions such as nutrition, respiration, osmoregulation, excretion, etc. can be done by a single cell too. Therefore, cell becomes functional unit of the body. Next, question number 2. Write any 4 functions of cell membrane. Answer. Following are the 4 functions of cell membrane. Point number 1. It is made up of lipid and protein molecules. Point number 2. It is flexible. Point number 3. It allows movement of the molecules in and out of the cell. Point number 4. It is selectively permeable membrane. Next, number 3. Write 2 points of differences. Prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. Point number 1. Nucleus is not well defined and is without a nuclear membrane. Nucleus is well defined with a double layered nuclear membrane. Point number 2. The size of a prokaryotic cell ranges between 1 to 10 μm. The size of eukaryotic cells ranges between 5 to 100 μm. Next, number 2. RER and SER. Point number 1. Ribosomes are located on its surface. There are no ribosomes on its surface. Point number 2. It performs the function of protein synthesis. Number 2. It performs the functions of manufacture of fat molecules. Next, number 3. Vacuole of plant cell, vacuole of animal cell. Number 1. Plant cells have very large vacuole. Animal cells have small sized vacuole. Point number 2. Vacuoles in plant cells are mainly full of cell sap. A vacuole in animal cell known as food vacuole contains the food items. Next, question number 4. Write your scientific view. Mitochondria are known as powerhouse of cell. Answer. Point number 1. Mitochondria is called the powerhouse of the cell. Number 2. The energy currency of the cell, that is adenosine triphosphate, is released by the mitochondria in the process of cellular respiration. Point number 3. These ATP molecules are used for all the cellular chemical activities. Number 4. Since mitochondria produces this energy, it is called the powerhouse of the cell. Next, number 5. Compare plant cell and animal cell. Point number 1. The size of plant cell is larger in dimension. Animal cells are smaller in size. Point number 2. Plant cells are rigid. They do not change the shapes. Animal cells can change the shape. Point number 3. A large central vacuole is present in plant cell. Large vacuoles are absent. Next, question number 6. State the 4 functions of Golgi apparatus. Point number 1. Golgi apparatus stores and packages the synthesis products prepared in endoplasmic reticulum. Point number 2. These synthesis products are dispatched to the various target organs present inside or outside the cells. Point number 3. Complex sugars are prepared from simple sugars in the Golgi apparatus. Point number 4. Golgi apparatus also performs the lysosomes. Next, question number 7. Write short note on cell wall. Answer. Point number 1. Cell wall is the outermost covering in plant cells. Point number 2. Cell wall of plant cell is made up of cellulose. Point number 3. Cell wall is permeable to almost all macromolecules. Point number 4. Cell wall is metabolically inactive and dead covering. Point number 5. Cell wall gives protection, turgidity and rigidity to plant cells. It determines the shape of the cell. Now, question number 8. Explain the contribution of Robert Hooke. Answer. Robert Hooke discovered cell in 1665. He was observing thin slices of cork under primitive microscope. He saw honeycomb-like structures which looked like little rooms. Robert Hooke named these compartments as cell. So here we complete the solution up till section B. If you have any doubt, query or suggestion, let me know in the comment section. I will see you in the next video with the next part of this chapter. Till then, bye bye. Take care.